right, good morning, boys. Wow, how much money did I make today? Boys, it's your boy Juan back with another video. Here's the trade recap. Today is Friday, February 6th, last trading day of the first week of February. Great day today, boys. Here is how I made 6,000. Well, I made 1.4, 1,477 across four, two funded, and then I made 948. I literally across all my accounts I made close to 6,856 dollars across all my accounts today. Very, very, very good day. To make that distinction, the profit of this $6,000 day is only $3,000 because I actually only caught profits on the fundeds. Okay, to make that distinction, you guys are gonna see the title 6,800. I didn't make 6,800 today. I made 3,000. Okay, on my fundeds. I got the fundeds back up. I'm out of the red. I'm out of the drawdown. I'm back into profit. Okay, without further ado, great, great, great day. 948 on alpha. Fucking 3,000 on top step. $6,000 day, boys. Let's without further ado, let's get right into the chart. Nothing funny, nothing crazy. This is what we do, fellas. All right. Coming into market open, I caught this long position. All right, I didn't catch 100 points. I think I exited at this internal low right here. I caught a pretty good trade. I entered also mid candle here. My fill was something like this. Literally caught like a one of fucking like a one of three right here on top. So very, very good trade. These long positions honestly played out beautifully. I'm gonna give you guys a trade breakdown into what I saw, what I took, and why I took this long position. I also did not take the same trade on top step than I did with alpha. I entered this on top step first, and then I caught another trade on alpha, which I'll explain literally right now. All right, fellas. This is the long that I caught. Why did I catch this long position right here? Literally on market open. My entry was a 932, right? 2 minutes into market open, flush to the upside. Crazy good day. All right. Crazy good PA as well. All right. I'm never one to blame PA. I'm always want to be self accountable and blame the trader. Okay. It's always, no matter what happens in the market, it's always your fault. Never cope that PA is bad. Never cope that PA is good. Follow your model. And if your model is profitable, it will pay. It will reward you. Okay. Guys, coming into market open, I had a bullish bias simply because price already flipped bullish on the hourly, on the 5, on the 15. There's absolutely nothing bearish about this PA up to this point. What do we have here, boys? I already have my draws on liquidity marked out, but here we have a one here. I'll show you guys. Price on the 1 hour already had a 1 hour bullish gap, 2 hour bullish, 1 hour bullish gap, another 1 hour bullish gap. We have two bullish PDRAs stacked on top of each other, and ultimately we created a 15-minute bullish gap right here. Look at all these PDRAs stacked on top of each other. This is a bull run right here. This is a temporary bull run right here. If I catch continuations, all I have to wait for is a retracement, right? A retracement back into any PDRAs and then see if price is going to continue respecting bullish PDRAs and capitalize on a continuation towards the next round of liquidity. If you look at PA, these are really, really good market conditions for my personal style. What do? We displace higher. Here, I'll show you. Displace higher, retrace, displace higher, retrace, displace higher, retrace, displace higher, retrace, high, retrace, high, retrace. What do you think is going to happen now next at this last retracement? If you truly understand continuations, you know all you have to do is wait for the last leg and catch this continuation towards this next draw. These were my draws on liquidity, fellas. I'm going to mark them out right now. So you guys see exactly what I was looking at, exactly what I was viewing. Okay, right here. See, price already prior to market open already swept a lot of liquidity. Okay, we already have swept London highs. Okay, we do have London lows here and Asian lows right here. Never hasn't got in touch yet. We're pretty bullish. We did sweep already these New York PM highs, these New York lows right here, and ultimately this was the draw that I had. These New York AM highs from yesterday. Okay, previous day's highs right here. That's actually what I was targeting. Previous day's highs and these draws on liquidity right here. They're all marked out as you guys can see. I'm gonna go on the replay button now and show you exactly what I saw pre-market. Okay. So you guys know we have a bunch of fair value gaps stacked on top of each other, and you guys know that I'm marking them up because I am using them as confluence in case price starts to display to the upside. I know why price is placed to the upside. Here was a 15. This is a 1 hour gap, and this is a 1 hour gap. Very, very bullish PA. Okay, here is 930. Let's go back to the replay button. You guys are gonna pick my brain and see exactly what I was looking at. Nine. I want to look be at 930 right here. 930. Right? So price was trading in this range prior to market open. What is this range? This is a 15-minute bullish gap. Okay, fellas, 15-minute bullish gap right here. We're inside a 15-minute bullish gap, right? I want this. If I'm bullish on the day, I want this PDRA to hold. But if this PDRA doesn't hold, I would have still been bullish because we still have a 1 hour bullish gap right here. I was open to having price maybe tap into this gap and then use it as support or respect this 15-minute gap immediately off rip, right? In the 5 minute time frame, we don't really have any bearish PDRAs at all, right? Which just still completely in bullish order flow. So I am fixated and honestly looking entirely for longs. Okay, okay, boys. Market is about to open. Market opens lower, trades a little higher. I'm still waiting. I'm not entering anything yet. Boom. That's when I enter mid candle. And as you guys can see, TP got hit in literally 2 candles. I did exit right here on top step. I believe I exited like somewhere here. Okay. See, let's go back. I literally entered mid candle. Mid candle on this trade, boys. Mid candle on this trade. Why? I'll show you guys why. You see how quickly price respected this 1 hour gap, like quickly to the T respected it, and that's literally all the confluence that I needed, right? What do? Market opens, market opens a little bearish, right? But I know we have bullish PDRA stacked on top of each other. We trade lower, immediately tap this 1 hour bullish gap, enter mid candle. As soon as I saw this displacement to the upside, I literally entered with 1 mini on top step here mid candle at this 1 minute CISD. I didn't have a 50-point stop at all. I had like a 20-point stop. I mean, my stop loss never got hit. Price was very volatile and literally targeted. I obviously had these draws on liquidity, right? Previous day's highs was my draw on liquidity, but my model is internal. I'm happy taking these 2 highs right here. So I exited here, but as you guys can see, price in really quick flush TP. And this is the second trade I caught an alpha. Here, I believe was the second trade I caught an alpha. Waited for the retracement. What retracement do you mind mean? We have a 1 minute imbalance here, right? And we also have a tiny 1 minute imbalance right here. Very tiny. 2 1 minute fair value guys stacked on top of each other. I got a couple 1 minute retracements back into these imbalances. Here's when I entered on the second trade for alpha. There. I entered long here and caught a little bit more of this continuation because we still had a lot of I believe I targeted like a 1-1 right here, like literally 40 points with like 15 micros, like a little heavier, went a little heavier on size. I'm still a rookie with alpha, honestly. Like I promise you guys, like I need to get this shit together because like when I go on my trading, oh, I'm in replay mode, my bad. Jesus, 1 second, boys. Whatever. This was a trade that I caught on alpha right here for 37 points for a continuation. Why? We still have this liquidity that price has not targeted. We are extremely bullish on the hourly time frame, and I am expecting this high to get ran through. I don't know if the high ended up getting ran through, but this was the $940 that I caught on alpha. Another continuation, literally the same exact kind of trade I caught here. On top step, I entered off the first 1 minute CISD. On alpha, I waited for a retracement back into this gap and then went long, targeting this internal high. And honestly, having this high also as my bias. Could have let a runner run. I'm honestly eating shit with alpha. Could have been funded, but I'm not. I can copy trade them together. So I am entering on top step and then I'm going on alpha and trying to enter again. So it's a little bit hard. I'm not really used to it. I haven't not traded this many accounts before. So give me some time and eventually I promise I'll probably fund them real quick. Poof, holy Drake candle. Holy Drake candle. Well, TP already got hit on this trade. Obviously, I'm done. So that does not concern me. And yeah, boys, that's how I made $6,000 today. Holy shit! Look what price ended up doing after. Wow, holy reversal. I'm sure I have a couple of my friends that are in these trades in some sort of shorts right now for this PA. Great day, fellas. Great day. 948 on alpha, as you guys can see right here, and here I'll show you guys again the P&L. Great day to end the trading week, fellas. Great day to end the trading week, honestly. I can't complain at this at all. Follow the continuation model to the T, objectively fluid price, and got the job done. Got the job done, fellas. Got the job done. I cannot be mad at this. Cannot be mad at this. I'm gonna show you guys my performance stats on TopStep as well, so you guys can see how I got the fuck out of drawdown. I'm gonna have to probably stop this video real quick to show you fellas, but I'll do it, or maybe I won't, because I got out of drawdown. I was on heavy drawdown prior to this day. Not prior to this day, but the first trade I took on the funded was a loss. It's like $1,000 loss. Then yesterday I posted a trade recap of me winning, and then today I won again. So I'm back. I'm back out of drawdown. I'm back out of the red, boys. 948 alpha and $3,000 in profit on TopStep right here. Overall, $6,000 day. I'll take that any day of the week. I'll take that any day of the week, fellas. Continuation towards the next round of liquidity. You guys saw why I took these longs. Crazy good longs. Easy continuation model. 2 trades for the day. Up in the day. All right, fellas. Guys, thank you guys a lot for watching. I'm going to post this trade, obviously, on YouTube. You guys will see it here on this platform. And I will also post this on my free Discord. Again, guys, feel free to connect with my free Discord. Feel free to interact. Feel free to ask me questions about this trade. If you have any questions about this trade, feel free to ask me. I'll answer any of your questions. I want to build a community with you guys, as I've said before, and grow with you guys, teach you guys what I know, teach you guys absolutely everything I know about the markets. And you guys can follow along the journey and see how profitable I become, how profitable I actually become, because I have a really good feeling about February. And it's been great so far. It's been great so far. Can't complain. All right, I don't want to make this video too long. $6,000 day today, boys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on Monday. Peace.